The DJI Avata 3, the drone that's set to redefine immersive flight in 2025 and beyond. Stick with me till the end because I'm about to reveal details that could change everything you know about FPV drones, including specs that might blow your mind and why this could be the upgrade you've been waiting for. Let's start with the basics. The DJI Avata 2 was a game changer when it launched back in 2024. Compact, crash-resistant with those built-in prop guards, stunning 4K video, and that buttery smooth O3 Plus transmission system that made long-range flights feel effortless. But DJI doesn't rest. Reliable sources, including FCC filings and insider leaks from early 2025, point to the Avata 3 being in active development. And trust me, the upgrades sound insane. First off, the camera. Rumors are swirling around a massive leap to a 1-inch CMOS sensor. That's right, bigger than the 1/1.3-inch in the Avata 2. This could mean sharper details, better low-light performance, and true HDR capabilities. Imagine capturing cinematic footage in golden hour or even at dusk without noise ruining your shots. Leaks suggest it'll support 4K at 120 frames per second for ultra-slow motion dives and flips that look straight out of a Hollywood action movie. And dynamic range. Expect it to rival DJI's flagship Mavic series, making your FPV footage pop like never before. But the real excitement is in flight performance. Sources hint at speeds pushing 140 kilometers per hour in manual mode. Faster and more agile than ever. Pair that with improved aerodynamics and a lighter frame, and you're looking at a drone that handles like a dream. Longer flight times are also on the table, potentially up to 25 to 30 minutes with smarter battery tech. And obstacle avoidance. While FPV purists love the raw feel, leaks mention enhanced sensing for safer indoor or tight space flying, without killing the thrill. Now transmission. The Avata 2's O3 Plus was rock solid, but whispers point to an O4 system upgrade, lower latency, longer range, and crystal clear 1080p live feed even miles out. Compatible with new goggles? Absolutely. Rumors say it'll pair perfectly with refreshed DJI goggles for an even more immersive view. Price and release? That's the burning question. Most credible leaks peg a launch in late 2025 or early 2026, possibly tying into holiday season or CES. Starting price could hover around $1,200 to $1,500 for the Fly More combo. A bump from the Avata 2 but justified by per-level features. Some insiders even tease bundles with motion controllers for that one-handed freestyle magic. Why does this matter to you? If you're into freestyle FPV cinematic whoops, or just chasing that adrenaline rush, the Avata 3 could bridge the gap between beginner-friendly and pro-grade. No more compromising on image quality for speed. But here's the kicker: with DJI facing regulatory heat in some markets, this might be one of the last big FPV pushes before things shift. Sources like DroneXL and Loyalty Drone blogs are tracking FCC docs closely, and test units have been spotted in the wild. Think about your best flights so far: those epic dives, bandos, or mountain surfs. The Avata 3 leaks suggest it'll make them even better. Smoother stabilization, bolder colors, and smarter flight modes. Comparisons to the Avata 2 show massive jumps in sensor size and speed, putting it ahead of competitors. As we wrap this up, one thing's clear: DJI is cooking something special. If these leaks hold true, the Avata 3 isn't just an upgrade. It's the future of FPV. Are you ready to upgrade when it drops? Drop your thoughts below if you're hyped. And stay tuned because as more leaks surface, we'll be right here breaking them down.